Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this stylish MG3. Outside the car you've got the Union Jack on the roof, 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got leather interior. There's also DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic headlights and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous owners, comes with a 1.5 litre petrol engine that gives you 105 brake horsepower. It's done under 16,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.